Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the ways to fix 404 page not found error in Shopify. To fix 404 page not found error in Shopify, you could follow these steps. So I'm gonna list out the steps. Make sure that you watch this video right till the end. Now there are two types of 404 page not found error. The first one is 404 error, and the next thing or the second one is soft 404 error. Let's understand what is 404 not found error. Now, it is a code indicated that the server cannot find the requested resource. This can happen when a user attempts to access a web page that no longer exists or has been moved to a different location. And whereas a soft 404 error occurs when a web page returns to a status code of 200 OK instead of 404 not found status code, but the page does not contain the content that the user expected. In order to fix it, so what you could do is first of all try using a redirect to point the broken link to a new URL. Now this can be done in the Shopify admin under online store, and then go to navigation. When you press on it, you could then on the step number 2, you need to click on view URL redirect option in the top right hand side corner. After that, you need to click on create URL direct from the top right hand side corner. Then next thing, you need to put the older URL in the first box and the new URL where you want to redirect the page as here. This way you'll be able to find it. So this is the way you could fix your 404 page not found error in Shopify. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.